Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable asset listings notification on Kraken account. So first we're going to go to the Kraken app. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Then here we're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then here we're going to click on notifications. Again, we're going to click on customize notifications since that's our notification preference. So we're going to scroll downwards and under product updates, there's asset listings. So we're going to turn it on. So new assets listed on the platform will be notified to our account. So that's the importance of the setting. It's a very easy one. You'll get notified when new assets are inside. As I told you, we also have different videos on our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.